Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare oregano oil. First, you'll need fresh oregano leaves and a good quality carrier oil, like olive or almond oil. Make sure your oregano is clean and free from any pesticides. Having these ingredients ready is the crucial first step to creating your own homemade oregano oil, ensuring a pure and effective product right from the start. Next, air dry your fresh oregano leaves for a few days until they become completely crisp. This step is important to remove moisture and concentrate the oil. Once dry, roughly chop the oregano. This helps to break down the plant material, allowing the beneficial compounds to infuse more effectively into your chosen carrier oil. Now it's time to infuse the oil. Combine your chopped oregano with the carrier oil in a clean glass jar. You can gently heat this mixture in a double boiler for about 2 to 3 hours, or for a slower method, let it infuse in a sunny window for 2 to 3 weeks. Both methods effectively extract the oregano's beneficial properties into the oil. Finally, strain the infused oil through a cheesecloth to separate the plant material from the oil. Squeeze out every last drop. Then, pour your homemade oregano oil into a dark glass bottle. Store it in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency and extend its shelf life. Enjoy your natural, homemade oregano oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.